Now by this point we all pretty much know how to distribute. So let's go ahead and simplify this. Let's distribute this 2. That gives us a 2x. And distribute it again. That'll give us a plus 4. When we factor by distribution, all we're doing is going the opposite direction. So we're finding the greatest common factor between these, in this case 2, and we're pulling it out. So here we see that 2x and 4 have a 2 in common, and then what's going to remain is an x plus 2. Let's go ahead and do a few quick examples. First, we have 6x squared plus 3x cubed plus 9x to the 4th. The 6, 3, and the 9 have a 3 in common. The x squared, x cubed, x to the 4th have an x squared in common. And then what's going to be left? Here, 6x squared, we're just going to have a 2 left, plus this 3x cubed. Well, this 3 is going to go away, and then we've got 1x remaining. And lastly, from this 9x to the 4th, we're going to have a 3x squared. Next, we have 12x squared y squared plus 20xy. The 12 and 20, they've got a 4 in common. The x squared y squared and the xy, that has an xy in common. And we're going to be left with, we know 12 divided by 4, that's going to give us a 3. We've also got one x and y left, because this is x squared y squared. We took out an xy. So we've got 3xy plus this 20 here. We took out a 4 from that. That's going to leave us with a 5. And we took this xy out, so there's no x or y left. Lastly, we've got 100 minus 2x. The 100 and the 2 have a 2 in common. Here we have an x squared, but we have no x here, so we can't take anything else out. So we just have to see what's left. We know we took a 2 out of this 100. That's going to leave us with 50 minus. We took this 2 out, and we're just left with an x squared. So remember, you're just looking at each term, seeing what's in common, and pulling it out, kind of like reverse distribution.